Hovermap Autonomy Level 2, you can fly a drone beyond line of sight and communication range in GPS-denied environments. This mine stope was scanned in a 3-minute flight while keeping personnel safe. To initiate the flight, the operator sets a waypoint on the Tap to Fly interface. Hovermap catches LiDAR points, generates a map of the environment, and transmits it in real time to the operator. The advanced autonomous navigation uses this map to adjust the flight path around obstacles. Once the drone enters the stope, the visualization updates on the interface. The operator sets a height waypoint, and Hovermap automatically plans its descent into the stope. By rotating, Hovermap confirms that its path is clear, improves spatial coverage, and reduces shadows. Navigation and data capture continue even in dusty conditions. When the waypoint is reached, a new height waypoint is set for Hovermap to ascend and return to home. Here is the stope point cloud. Notice the level of detail and the operator's safely standing well back from the brow. This scan captured a previously unknown area of overbreak, which can increase dilution. Hovermap's tap-to-fly autonomy enables beyond line-of-sight flight within inaccessible, hazardous areas, keeping personnel safe, away from stope brows and draw points.